Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, but he's able to... There's a landing there, though. See, he goes up and he gets stuck.
I guess that little baby had a little tumble there. Probably not his last.
I think they're doing it on purpose.
They're pretty tough sheep. Hopefully they'll be fine. And there is a story though I would like to tell you. It was kind of, it ended up being a sad story, but it's not, it's just part of what nature is. It's about 8 years ago, we were going up the cruise up the river, and this is a true story by the way. But anyway, we're going up and there's a small little lamb that was struggling, floundering in the water and getting up on the rock, and it was very, very wobbly. So I came back and I had another boat take me out, so we went over to try to rescue it, I guess, if you will. And so I got off from the rocks, and we didn't even put up a fight. I just picked him up and put him in the boat. And he had a good gash on his back right main quarter down to the bone. He was probably at least 2-3 days old. So he was probably close to shock or in shock. But anyway, we transported him, got him over to Clean Fish, and they have a kind of a rescue center, if you will, in the North Phoenix area. And so they were able to take him to it, stuff right.